Nowadays it is become the trending that how you can get the first charging in your mobile phone, and here it is guys, it's really awesome for you that it will be charged your mobile phone within some minutes or within 30 minutes or an hour. And here it is guys, it's really recommendable for you guys and it's working. So how you can get enable this first charging in your Android mobile phone, though there have no any first charging method, this video I'm going to talking with about. I'm Mohammad Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. Before just starting my that video, I request you, if you're not still now the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start from that video here. So first of all, you need to install an app in your Android mobile phone, and that app here you will get in the Google Play Store. And from here, first of all, go to in the search, and from here the First Charge Pro. And here it is guys, this app I have just already installed it, and here you need also to install this app here. And after that, now click on the open from here, and here it is guys, your trick will be started from here. So for that, first of all, go to here in your mobile phone, and from here you need to just plug in your charger in your Android mobile phone. And here guys, I have already charged in my mobile phone, and here you can see that my mobile phone is charging. And now from here, click on the start from here to get started there. And here it is guys, they have some options called the general and others. And here it is guys, the input current method is the fast or perfect or general or good. This positive word is very good for your mobile phone, that your mobile phone get all the charges perfectly. But if they have recommendation like bad, fall down, that time it will be very bad for your mobile phone. Now it's your time to change your mobile phone's charger. And here have some findings you will get there, but I have no any findings, and I have get my mobile phone more faster, so they have no any finding. And here if you get some findings, that time it will be a button of boost like that. And here from you need to just fix out this by just clicking on that boost option. So here it is guys, your things is done. Now go to the back from here, and here from now click on the junk clean from here, and here you'll get all the scanning file of your junking file here from. And here from you need to just clean all this junk from here. And here it is guys, your junk file is cleaned up from here. Now go to another is the memory clean from here, and from here you can also clean up your memory. I don't want to clean up my memory, as I am recording my that video, it will also be vanished from here. So from here you need to click on the clean all, and now go to the back, and from here now go to in the CPU cooler from here. And here if you see that your CPU get just temperature high, that time you need to make it cool down by just clicking on the cool down button. And here is guys, your all the things is done for you, and here you can see that everything is in the general mode. And here you can see also that within these 2 or 3 minutes I have gained already 2% more charging. That means here it will take a bit time for you guys to get your mobile phone the fastest charging. And here they have another is the charging current. Here it is how much ampere your battery get in this current time. And here my mobile phone's battery get 1843 ampere, and here it is guys, it's the fast. And if it's a perfect, good, general, that time it's okay. But if here you'll get any negative word, that time it's your time to change your mobile phone's charger. So here is guys, this is the way to get some mobile phone charging and to get some fast charger in your mobile phone. Now it's your time guys. If you get that your mobile gets some more extra fastest charging by just following those tricks, I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends guys. So no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.